Hey, what's up guys, it's Dewha. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, it's gonna be a chill haul. And ayan, as you can see from the title, I'm gonna be doing a PR haul. So ayun, medyo niipon na sila and napag-isip-isip ko na gusto ko mag-PR haul ulit ngayon. And sobrang tagal na since then nung nag-upload ako ng PR haul. So yeah, without further ado, madami-dami to. So let's get started. This one is from YesStyle and nakaganyan lang siya, wala siyang box guys. Last month, binigyan nila ako ng coupon para mag-shop sa website nila, and I'll be linking all of the products that I got sa description box para if ever na meron kayong bet, pwede nyo silang bilhin doon. So first one is I have here the AHA, BHA, PHA 30 Days Miracle Serum from Some by Me na brand. If nakita nyo sa Shopee haul ko, bumili ako nung trial nilang maliit. And nagustuhan ko yung toner and yung serum nila. Kasi yun lang naman yung ginagamit ko. And yung moisturizer is parang nakukulangan ako sa moisture na binibigay niya. So, ito lang yung kinuha kong full size. And then next one is this Strawberry Milk 1-pack face mask from APU. And then I also got this one, Speedy Skinny Brow from Peripera. And this is gray brown. Mas madali kasing magkilay for me kapag maliit lang yung eyebrow pencil. And then next is from Mercy. This one, brown eyeliner siya. Ayan. Maganda siya pang eyeliner. Kasi marunong na ako mag-eyeliner guys. So I'm so happy kasi medyo natututunan ko na mag-eyeliner. Kaya mamili din ako ng brown. And then next one is itong Etude House My Lash Serum. Ayan. Pang eyelash and then sa eyebrow ko siya ginagamit. Yung dati kong Etude House. And din nyo guys, wala na nga siya. Bumili na ako ng bago kasi nag-phase out na sila dito sa Etude House Philippines. Buti na lang meron akong nakita dun sa YesStyle. So, ayan siya. And then guys, next one is this Cover Perfection Tip Concealer from the same. And ito, sobrang daming may gustos ng concealer na to and sobrang ganda ng reviews. So, tinry ko na rin. And then, this one guys, sobrang cute. Hindi ko alam kung ba't ko ito binili dahil sa packaging niya. So Hot Lip Sauce Red Pepper from the same as well. Guys, ang cute, diba? Ah, okay. So, ganyan pala siya. Akala ko may doe foot siya. Parang may peppermint siya. Yun din yung nabasa ko dun sa description kasi binasa ko talaga yung description nito. Para siya merong guys, plumping effect. Ganon. So, ayan. And then, next one is itong Remand Lasting Water Gloss. And then, this one naman is the Lasting Water Tint. And I believe ito parehas din tong gloss. Kaya, ayan, I'm super excited. And magbukas tayo ng isa. Guys, ang ganda ng packaging niya! Kita nyo ba? Ayan guys, oh. And then, kapag inopen, para siyang may holographic na glitters. So, ayun siya. Gloss lang siya. And alam niyo naman ako na-addict ako sa lip gloss ngayon. The last thing that I got is itong Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask na berry. Yung 20 grams. Here, ayan siya. And then, may applicator pa siya. Ang cute. Ayan, yung applicator niya. Ang cute, diba? Yun lang naman yung nakuha ko sa YesStyle and karamihan is talagang ina-eye ko or talagang dun ko lang talaga siya nabili. Kaya, definitely, lahat to is magagamit ko and i-update ko kayo sa IG stories ko kapag ginamit ko na to. Next is this box. This is from TEAMI Blends and this is their Detox Starter Pack. Calendar pala siya dito. Tapos, itong TEAMI Skinny Tea and yung TEAMI Colon nila. Ayan. Ito naman is yung nilalagyan ng tea, parang strainer siya. So, lalagyan mo yung tea dito. Iaano mo siya sa mainit na water. Tapos, igaganon mo lang siya. Ayun, para at least hindi humalo kasi walang tea bag to. Pagtapos ka na, lalagyan mo na lang siya dyan. O, diba? So, ang ganda ng bottle nila. Ayan, TEAMI. And then, meron siyang strainer din dito. So, pwede mo siya lagyan ng tea or lemon, ganon. Kunwari, magle-lemon ka, pwede mo siyang ilagay, tapos, kapag uminom ka, hindi na masasama yung laman. So, thank you so much, TEAMI, for sending this over. Ito naman is from Dewha. Intense Hydrating Essence Mask. Dalawa na yung mask na nagagamit ko, and sobrang ganda. So, each box, meron siyang 10 masks. So, ayan. 30 ml yung nasa loob niya. So, kapag kinuha mo yung mask, marami pang matitira sa loob. Tapos, dalawa pa lang yung nagagamit ko. And bumili na ako nung gantong bottle. Tapos, guys, tingnan nyo, ayan na yung nasasalin kong serum. Deep hydration and brightening of skin even after just one use. As in, tomorrow, sobrang fresh or glowing ng skin mo. Talagang na-hydrate niya talaga. Kasi, di ba kapag dry, parang saggy or parang magaspang yung skin natin. Pero kapag tinry mo to tapos kinabukasan when you wake up, as in, sobrang glowy and then super smooth. May minimizing pore appearance din siya. Like, parang nagko-close yung pores mo. Lalo na if nilagay mo muna to sa freezer. Once na lumambig na siya, sobrang sarap ilagay sa skin. And then, yung 2 core ingredients niya is yung Japan imported hyaluronic acid. Sobrang daming benefits and nililink ko na lang sa description box yung shop nila or website nila. Tapos, free shipping pa sila and better try this kasi sobrang must have namin tong mask na to ng aking mga co-influencers or mga creator friends. So, thank you so much, Dewha, for sending this over. Ayan, malay nyo, magpa-giveaway kami kasi nagpa-plan din kami magpa-giveaway. So, ayun, guys. Nanggugulo na ang aking baby. May PR ka ba? Anong PR mo? Kinakain mo kasi kagad eh. Yung mga nagpapadala sa kanya, kinakain niya kagad. Wala ka tuloy mapakita. Dito ka muna, ha? Stay. Next one is from Caris. And yung dalawa dito is nagamit ko na. Kasi kapag excited akong i-try is ginagamit ko talaga kagad. Itong lip tint na to is super duper must have. Like, sobrang must have niya. Kasi ito yung ginamit ko nung mukbang video ko. Sobrang long lasting niya. And ayan din yung gamit ko ngayon. Ayan guys, ayan yung swatch niya. Kita niyo ba? So, ayun. Velvet finish, pero kapag kumain ka, nag-iiwan talaga siya ng stain sa lips mo. And sobrang nagustuhan ko yung lip tint na to. Perfect siya pang gradient lips. And then, next thing that I got from Caris is this one. Yung Awesome Lemon Balm Hydrating Serum. I-update ko kayo sa Instagram kung maganda ba talaga siya, and excited din ako kasi organic daw siya. I think this is good for all skin types. So, ayan, organic. Ayan, certified organic natural ingredients. And then, itong Ciracal Red Spot Pink Powder. And nagamit ko na siya, guys. This is what it looks like. Ayan, 3 nights ko na siyang ginagamit. And ayan, hindi nagtuloy yung pimple ko dito. Kaya, ayun, naaagapan ko dahil dito sa Red Spot Pink Powder. Talagang nakakatuyo siya ng pimples. So, ayun. Marirecommend ko to sa mga acne prone kasi mas may stop yung pimples ninyo or hindi na siya tutubo. Ganon. Or, pabilis siya magde-dry up. Ganon. Next one is itong blush. This is the Vivid Studio Chic Flush Blusher in the shade 9 Rosy Voice. Ayan siya, guys. Ang cute ng packaging niya. Parang sobrang luxurious ng packaging. Ayan siya, glass. And then, sobrang ganda ng packaging niya, no? Powder pala siya. Kala ko cream blush, kaya naano pa ako. Pero, ayan. Powder siya, guys. And then, kapag watch, ayan. Pink siya. Tingnan natin kung babagay siya sa looks ko. Ayan, ang ganda, no? This one naman is from my Glaze family. Meron pa akong scrunchies na pink. And then, dalawang choker. Ang cute. Pwede mo siyang isabit sa bag. Tapos, ayan yung lip gloss. And then, meron pang nakalagay na J. Ayan, o, letter J na initial ko. And then, accessory sa bag. Tapos, ito, in the shade Jade. Ayan. Tapos, andito rin yung iba nilang lip gloss. In the shade Sasha, Chloe, Brianna, and Yasmin. Ayan. And may stickers pa dito. Tapos, etong dalawang mask, pink lang siya. And then, ito yung mask. Ayan, meron siyang face mask topper para naman magmukhang presentable yung mask natin. So, thank you so much, my Glaze family, for sending this over. I'm so excited to try all of the shades ng glosses ninyo. Next one is from Squad Cosmetics. This is their newest product. We have here 8 shades of their Happy Pots, multi-purpose pot, creamy and highly pigmented clay pot. Ang dami. And super cute ng packaging niya kasi maliit lang. Kasyang-kasya siya sa wallet ninyo or sa coin purse ninyo. Kasya siya. So, pwede nyo siya ilagay sa lips, sa cheeks, and sa eyelids. So, multi-purpose na siya. And guess what? This is for only 99 pesos. I think sobrang steal na nun kasi 3 grams of product na siya and 4 years pa yung span niya. Thank you so much, Squad Cosmetics, for sending this. This one naman is from Brilliance PH. Itong Charles & Kate na bag. So, meron din silang binigay na wallet. Black lang siya. And then, kapag inopen mo, ganyan na itsura niya. Tapos, dito yung money. Yung mga cards dito. Para lang siyang card holder talaga. Kasi naghahanap ako ng card holder na maliliit lang. Next one is etong bag. So, this is what it looks like. Small lang siya yung size niya. And sobrang cute. And pwede mo siyang sling bag. Ito, yung sling bag niya. Bagay ito kapag nakadress ka. Ganon. Thank you so much, Brilliance PH, for sending this over. And then, guys, speaking of bag, nagpadala din sa akin yung Oh My Bag PH ng mga accessories sa bag. Midnight Blue Waterproof Bag Cover. Small Black Nylon Dust Bag. We also have in here Pink Satin Large Dust Bags. And then, we have Wookie Dookie Donkey Versatile Bag Organizer for small bags. Ayan siya, guys. Pwede nyong i-organize yung gamit nyo dyan para organize siya sa loob. Sobrang borara ako sa bag. Like, yung mga pera-pera. Kapag wala akong wallet is naka-singit-singit lang kung saan-saan. So, ayun. Buti na lang meron akong ganito. At least, ma-organize ko na yung bag ko. Ayan. Pwede mo rin siya tanggalin. Kabit mo lang ulit. Ayan. Thank you so much, Oh My Bag PH, for sending this over. So guys, this one naman is from Tena Cosmetics. I guess inan nila sa akin lahat ng shades. Ayan, tig 4. Ayan, wow! Ang ganda ng formula. Girl, pigmented. Ayan siya. Yan yung shade na Athena. So, thank you so much, Tena Cosmetics, for sending this over. This one naman is from Nicole Signature Cosmetics. And ito, friend ko yung CEO. Milk Magic Gluta Soap. And then, strawberry tomato and Gluta-c with baking soda. Eyeshadow palette. So, binigay niya sa akin lahat ng variants. Buksan ko yung isa. Ayan, Milk Mallows mini eyeshadow palette. And when you open it, this is what it looks like. It has 10 shades. Ayan. Number lang siya, guys, ha. Walang name yung ano niya. Ayan, guys. Pigmented naman siya. And strawberry cake naman to. And then, kapag in-open, ayan, puro pink and may neutral shade na dalawa. So, thank you so much, babe, Nicole, for sending this over. And I'm so excited to try this out. Next one is from Gluta-c. 6 pieces na ganito. Ayan siya, guys. Gluta-c Elixir 1% alpha-arbutin serum with glutathione and vitamin C. And personally, gusto ko yung vitamin C kapag ka sa serum. Buti na lang yung Gluta-c, naglabas sila ng gantong serum. And ayan siya. Thank you so much, Gluta-c, for sending this over. Next one is from Megan Beauty. Ayan siya. Tatlong false eyelashes. Makeup remover, facial wipes. Enriched with collagen extract. Ayan. We have here 98% aloe vera soothing gel. Facial cleansing foam nila. Face and body mist na aloe vera gel. Mini BB cream na light beige. Ayan, packet size. And then, mini BB stick. Ayan, light beige din. Yung pinaka-light. The Brazilian Glow Curl Hair Polish. Ito, mini lip balm and mini lipstick in the shade Posh Chic and Raspberry Purple. And I have in here white and glowing peel-off mask. And then, ayan, detox and lightening peel-off mask. Fresh and bright skin facial scrub. And the Megan Pore Purifying Bentonite Clay Mask. Thank you so much, Megan, for sending this over. Next ER is sobrang hindi ko ina-expect. Sobrang laki, guys. Ayun o. Kita nyo ba? Ayan! Yung ano nila, in collaboration with Flying Friends, yung BT21. And this is their second collection na. Pag in-open, this is what it looks like. Ayan yung ano niya. And then, it comes with 4 cheeky blushes. Ayan, 4 cheeky blushes. And then, 4 Dewha tints. And then, meron pa tayong parang pouch. Yan, ang cute. Naka-engrave yung mga characters. Pinadala din nila sa akin yung 4 na brushes nila. Ito, contour brush. and then powder brush, and then blush brush, and highlighter brush. So, ayan. Thank you so much, Vice Cosmetics, and i-review natin siya agad. Next PR is from Beauty Vault. First thing is this one, Ultimate Body Bleaching Set, and it has Milky Salt Scrub, Gluta-Milk Whitening Lotion, Milk Tea Bleaching Soap. Wow, milk tea. And then next is this Beauty Vault Glass Skin Essential Serum. Ayan, tatlo yung sinend nila sa akin, and each is 20 ml. Tapos, sinendan din nila ako ng Beauty Vault Glass Skin Essentials Premium Rejuvenating Set. And dalawa yung pinadala nila sa akin. One for my mom and one for me. Glass Skin Essentials Whitening and Maintenance Set. Sobrang affordable lang na to, guys. For 300 pesos, meron ka ng skincare set or rejuvenating set. Okay, next. Galing din sa kanila is ito, Gluta-c iced tea, and then coffee, and then ito, milk tea. Wow. Grabe, pwede pala yun, no? Milk tea, pampapayat. So, yan. Thank you so much, Beauty Vault and Gluta-c for sending this over. Next one is from Celetec. And they sent me this 3 Acne Solutions Exfoliating Cleansing Stick. Ayan siya, guys. Tatlo yung sinend sa akin. Thank you so much, Celetec, for sending this over. Next naman is from Michelle's Cosmetics. Ito lahat ng mga tints nila. Meron silang mattifying tint and gel tints. Ayan siya, guys. Diba? Sobrang pigmented niya. Ito yung wine, and then ito yung sienna. Ayan, ang ganda ng packaging. Sobrang ganda i-display. Abangan nyo, guys, marami pa kaming ila-launch na makeup. Thank you so much, Miss Michelle, for sending this over. Ayan. So, check nyo sila sa Instagram account nila. Michelle's Cosmetics. This one naman is from Cathy doll. Bag. Yung na-receive ko sa kanila. Ayan. Ang cute. And when we open it, ayan siya, guys. Full set ng mini lipping chic creamy mattes, mascara, and sobrang perfect niya for travel. Ayan, nahihiwalay pala siya. So, thank you so much, Cathy doll, for sending this over. And the next one is from Sarang Beauty, and they gave me these 3 skincare set. Ayan siya, guys. Sinend nila sa akin yung Pore Minimizer Powder Toner, and then Powder Emulsion, and Serum. Sobrang ganda ipon-display. Ang ganda. So, ayun. I-update ko kayo sa effect nito sa akin. And, ayan siya. So, thank you so much, Sarang, for sending this over. So, feeling ko yung video na to is matagal and malulubat na siya. So, that's it for this video. And sobrang thank you, lalong-lalo na sa blessings na dumadating sa akin araw-araw. Sobrang thank you sa support nyo. Malapit na tayo mag 40k. So, another giveaway na naman yan. And thank you guys for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share this to your family and friends. And if hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na rin kayo. And follow me to all of my social media accounts. And that's it for this video. And thank you guys for watching. And see you in my next one. Bye!